For your wrist hyperextension taping, you're going to start with Pro Wrap. Get your athlete to spread their fingers and pop the Pro Wrap over the thumb. You're then going to go between a third and a halfway up the athlete's arm. You can get rid of any rolls that happen, which are pretty common with this tape job. You're going to apply 2 anchors proximally on the arm, putting a little bit of tape on the forearm to keep any slipping from happening. At this time, you can get your athlete to flex their or extend their fingers to create some muscle belly in the forearm so the tape is not too tight. You're going to fold your tape and apply it in the crease of their thumb and create a hand anchor that goes around the thenar eminence, ending on the dorsum of the hand. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure for our fan. So we're going to measure pieces that go from the proximal to the distal anchors, and then we can create that fan on the table here. So we're just going to measure 3 strips of tape, creating a fan in an hourglass shape. We're going to anchor this down on their hand first. You don't need to go the whole way around. You can just lay a hand anchor there, again ending it on the dorsum or the side of the hand. And then you're going to ask your athlete how far into flexion they want to be pulled. You can test by anchoring down that fan and getting them to test. Is that enough? All right. So then we're just going to anchor down that proximal portion of the fan and close up our tape job. And that should block them from going into wrist hyperextension.